If you're maintaining any kind of data into the Google Sheets and you're planning to automate your task but not sure where to start, then this video is for you, because here I'm going to show you 6 best and amazing Google Sheets and WhatsApp automation ideas which will definitely boost your productivity. So the first idea I would like to share with all of you is how you can start sending the WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets in bulk automatically. Yes, it is possible. If you're maintaining your customers' data into the Google Sheets, now onwards you do not have to manually copy the data of each customer, compose the message and send the WhatsApp message manually. You just need to connect your Google Sheets and WhatsApp with the help of an automation software, and after that the messages will get sent automatically. You do not have to do anything manually. So if you want to start sending the personalized messages to your customers, if you want to start sending the offer related message to your customers in bulk, then go to my description box and check the video on the same, because my team has already recorded a separate video on this automation, that how you can start sending the WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets in bulk automatically. Okay, moving further, another automation idea I have in the list is you can even start sending the examination results on WhatsApp. Yes, it is possible, and this automation is designed specifically for the schools and the colleges and the institutes. Okay, so you must have the data of your students into the Google Sheet. And whenever you're conducting any kind of exam with your students, of course, after the examination, you will have to share the results of the examination with each of the students on their WhatsApp, especially after the COVID. Okay, so here I'm going to teach you an amazing automation, that how you can start sending the exam results on the WhatsApp of the each student automatically. You do not have to do anything manually. Simply set an automation again with the Google Sheets and WhatsApp, and after that, every time you're going to add the student details along with their marks, the exam results will get sent automatically in real time. Yes, it is possible. Again, a separate video for the same has attached into the YouTube video description box, so you can check this video if you are actually running a school or college or an institute, and if you want to start sending the examination results to your students. Okay, moving further, we have another automation in the list is how you can send the automatic reminders on WhatsApp before the due date. Yes, it is possible. If you are maintaining your customers or clients data into the Google Sheets, now onwards you can start sending the automatic reminders to your people. Okay, and let me show you what type of reminders you can send using this Google Sheets and WhatsApp automation. So let's say you are running some insurance agency and the insurance of a customer is about to expire, and you have the expiry date and all the customers detail into your Google Sheets. Then you can start sending the insurance reminders to your customers. Assume that you are running some salon or you are running some clinic or hospital, and you are collecting the online appointments for your clinic, for your salon. Okay, so before the appointment is a start, let's say you want to send an automatic reminder maybe one day before or maybe 1 hour before the appointment. You can start sending the appointment reminders automatically using this Google Sheets WhatsApp automation idea. Okay, another idea I have is, let's say you are running some school, college, institute, or you are providing some kind of online subscription. In that case also, you can start sending the fees reminder to your students. Okay, fees reminder automatic WhatsApp messages to your students using this amazing automation of Google Sheets and WhatsApp. Okay, and let's say you are about to conduct a webinar, then also in that case also you can start sending the webinar reminder to your registrants if you have your registrants data into the Google Sheets. All right, so this is how, as a business person or as a college or institute owner, or even as a office manager or the HR, you can start reminding your employees about their shift timing using this Google Sheets WhatsApp automation idea. Okay, so again, if you're maintaining any time of customer, users or clients data, or let's say employees data into your Google Sheets, several kinds of amazing automations are possible with Google Sheets and WhatsApp. Okay, moving further, we have another automation is for the HRs and offices. Okay, so if you are sending these salary slips to each person manually one by one, maybe on their email or maybe on their WhatsApp, now onwards you do not have to manually copy the salary slip, basically the PDF file, every month and then send it manually to each employee one by one. Simply connect your Google Sheets with WhatsApp in which you are having your employees data, and after that the salary slips will get sent automatically every month. You do not have to do anything manually. And again, you can check this amazing automation from my YouTube video description box, where my team has already recorded a separate video on how one can send the salary slip every month in PDF automatically to their employees. Okay, so moving further, we have another automation idea is that how you can create thousands of certificates automatically from the Google Sheets data, and then how you can send same certificates to the same person on WhatsApp automatically. Yes, this kind of automation is also possible, and this kind of automation is useful for the people who always conduct some kind of courses, some kind of program, some kind of competition. Okay, so let's say whoever is participating into your competition or whatever the persons are joining your course, you just need to add their data into the Google Sheets, and the certificates will be created automatically using this Google Slides application, and the same certificate will get sent automatically via WhatsApp to each person whose data we have added into the Google Sheets, whose data we have maintained into the Google Sheets. And again, a separate video for the same has been recorded and added into the description box. So if you want to create this automation for yourself, if you want to generate the certificates automatically and send the certificates automatically, you can watch this amazing video. Okay, last but not the least, I have amazing automation idea in the list is how you can start sending the birthday wishes or the anniversary wishes or the festival wishes to your employees, to your students and to your customers. And just like we have connected our Google Sheets and WhatsApp and other last 5 automations, here also you just need to add the details of your customers, clients, students or employees and connect the same spreadsheet with WhatsApp application with the help of an automation software. And after that, the birthday wishes will be automatically get sent when the birthday date, when that specific date will arrive. Yes, it is possible. And if you want to create this automation, if you want to start sending birthday wishes on the specific date at a specific time automatically, you can watch the full video on this. It is available into the description box. So this is how now onwards you can start automating your manual task and boost your productivity. Simply connect your Google spreadsheet with WhatsApp application with the help of an automation software, and after that you can start automating your task. And I have also added the link of all the automation into the description box. So just in case if you want to access any automation, please visit our description box and create this automation. All the best. Thank you for watching this video.